ADRA Haiti responded to a cholera resurgence by distributing water purification filters and hygiene kits to over 700 families.
The distribution efforts covered multiple regions in Haiti, including the West, Southeast, and NIPS departments, as well as areas with displaced families in Port-au-Prince. The kits, which included buckets, water filters, toothbrushes, toothpaste, and soap, were distributed in July and August through a partnership with UNICEF and Global Medic. This initiative also reached families displaced by gang violence. In NIPS, where toilets are scarce, the kits were especially valuable for purifying water sources contaminated due to open defecation. The filters provided an accessible way to make water safe for consumption.
ADRA Haiti remains committed to monitoring regional areas to address the urgent needs of communities requiring assistance.